Hi friends, today is a very good day to draw. What about to draw a palm tree on a beach? Yes, we'll begin drawing the horizon line and the edge of the sea, like you see, as you see. Okay, let's give some graphite on the paper so we can work with it. Okay, be patient and draw very softly with your pencil. As you can see, I put all pencils I'm using every time and all materials I'm using at the time with a title on the screen. Okay? Now with this darker 2B pencil, let's draw this edge of the sea. Step by step, drawing slowly. Okay. If you are here, now I think you like this video. So what about to smash like button? And if not, and you wish to receive notification of all videos I upload, please subscribe. Now with this tissue, a paper towel, we blur everything, but be very careful because you must go in this direction. It matters in what direction you blur, okay? You may do this with a paper stamp or a paper towel. They both are useful for this. Okay, staining the paper. Very easy. Horizon line. Preserve of darkening this area because here will be the mirror, the reflection of the sun. Now with circles, small circles movements, you see, I am suggesting this is sand, the sand of the beach. With an eraser, we recover this part where the sun is. Okay, little circles, very careful, very easy, step by step. Recovering the reflection of the sun, but don't pay too much attention to this part because the real important point in this drawing will be our palm tree. So we must draw everything, this background, but don't pay too much attention of it. Okay? Darken and the horizon line because it appears more far from us in this way. Darken the edge where the shadow of the water flows over the sand. Okay, giving some texture here, we will return later, but now we do have now a seascape, a full seascape. You may leave this drawing right now. Now I'll suggest some clouds, and now we'll begin drawing the palm tree. Okay, it will be here, the end, the upper part of the palm tree. So I'll draw in this way. Okay, better in this way. Now we'll fill this part with very dark tones with this 6B pencil. Step by step, layer by layer, you'll dark this part, but please don't press too hard your pencil. You need to leave graphite put on the paper slowly. Now, these lines are where the palm tree leaves will be. Okay. You see, don't make each branch, each leaf, don't make them all the same. Draw them in different shapes, so your drawing will be more interesting. Now begin with the leaves. Small curves, as you see, in groups, trying to all leaves draw them similar but not equal, not the same. Variation is the key in this drawing, but I think it is very visual and it is not too complicated. Okay. Let's continue until we draw all leaves in all branches. I put a paper to rest my hand and not to blur all the drawing with my hand movements. Okay. For leaves, use both 6B or 2B pencil as you wish, but keep the point of your pencil sharp, okay? Now this way. Okay, easy and step-by-step drawing. If you wish another drawing of another theme, please tell at the comment lines. Now we'll give some texture to the sand in this way, short curves in this way. You see, it's easy and without too much attention where you put them. Okay, reinforcing the shadow, the projected shadow of the palm tree, and now just going with details with this 2H pencil, very useful to draw textures and to draw over all 6B lines and make them darker, as you see. 2H pencil is very, very useful. Okay. We are just finishing our drawing. Graphite pencil drawing is the most universal artistic technique in the world, because almost everyone in this world can get a piece of paper and some pencil and draw with it. So it's very, very free. Now it's finished? No, I think so. I think don't. Now I will draw this little trick, going out of the box. So our drawing will be more original now. Don't draw everything out of the box, but just some branches, some leaves like this, as you see. What do you think? Is a beautiful trick or not? Now just finishing, and it is done. Now it is done. See you soon. Be very happy. Bye.